Imagine a world where over 537 million adults aren't struggling with diabetes. Unfortunately, that's the reality today, and the numbers are rising. But here's the good news. Many cases of diabetes can be prevented or managed with just a few simple lifestyle changes. What if making minor adjustments to your daily routine could dramatically improve your health and potentially keep diabetes at bay? Your choices can make a significant difference. Diabetes ranks among the most widespread chronic illnesses today, affecting millions around the world. It is frequently associated with lifestyle factors such as dietary habits, exercise, and stress. Although there isn't a cure, the positive aspect is that we can manage and even prevent diabetes through effective lifestyle changes. In this video, we will discuss the difficulties associated with diabetes and, more importantly, the small yet significant changes that can enhance overall health and well-being. Living with diabetes is challenging. It requires regular checks of blood sugar, smart food choices, and often managing medications. Symptoms like extreme thirst, tiredness, frequent urination, and slow healing wounds can disrupt daily life. If diabetes is not under control, it can lead to serious problems like nerve damage, kidney disease, heart issues, and, most significantly, vision loss. Besides physical challenges, diabetes can also affect emotions, causing stress, anxiety, and sometimes depression. Maintaining healthy blood sugar levels daily can feel overwhelming, but hope remains. The good news is that small changes to your lifestyle can lead to drastic improvements. Let's look at simple changes that can help you manage or prevent diabetes. But first, if you're new here, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's make this video the most liked one ever. Let's explore some smart dietary choices you can make. 1. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are an excellent superfood for diabetes management because of their high fiber content and low glycemic index. They are loaded with soluble fiber, which creates a gel-like consistency in the stomach, slowing down glucose absorption and helping to avoid spikes in blood sugar levels. Also, chia seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, which help lessen inflammation and promote overall metabolic well-being. Chia seeds can be added to meals by mixing them into smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal. They can also be utilized to create chia pudding, a nutritious dessert choice. Constantly adding chia seeds into your diet aids in regulating blood sugar levels and supports long-term health. 2. Walnuts. Walnuts are a good snack for people with diabetes. They are high in healthy fats, fiber, and protein. The omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts can help reduce inflammation and improve insulin. The fiber in walnuts also slows how fast glucose enters the bloodstream. Moreover, walnuts are full of antioxidants, which help protect the body from stress that can harm those with diabetes. Walnuts can be eaten, added to salads, or mixed into oatmeal or yogurt. Regularly including walnuts in your diet can help keep blood sugar levels stable and support heart health. 3. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a nutritious food with a low glycemic index, making them an excellent choice for those looking to maintain stable blood sugar levels. They contain essential vitamins like vitamin C and K and important minerals such as potassium. Tomatoes also contain powerful antioxidants like lycopene. Lycopene is known for its ability to reduce inflammation and improve heart health by lowering the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Incorporating tomatoes into a diabetic's diet offers unique benefits. They help regulate blood sugar levels and prevent complications related to heart health, which are common in diabetic patients. You can utilize tomatoes in different ways, such as slicing them into crisp salads, layering them in hearty sandwiches, or wrapping them in tortillas for a delicious meal. 4. Almonds. Almonds are an excellent snack option for individuals managing diabetes because they contain few carbohydrates, making them less likely to raise blood sugar levels. They are packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, all of which help stabilize blood sugar and enhance the body's ability to use insulin effectively. Additionally, almonds are a great source of magnesium. This essential mineral plays a vital role in supporting nerve function, muscle relaxation, and reducing inflammation in the body, contributing to overall health and well-being. Here are some terrible choices that affect your system. 1. Sweetened coffee drinks. Like flavored lattes and frappuccinos, sweet coffee drinks contain high amounts of added sugars and unhealthy fats. These drinks are not suitable for people with diabetes. They can cause quick blood sugar spikes, leading to weight gain and insulin resistance. Choose black coffee or unsweetened options instead. You can add flavor with cinnamon or unsweetened almond milk if you like. Picking healthier coffee choices helps steady blood sugar levels and improves diabetes management. 2. White pasta. White pasta comes from refined flour, which loses fiber and nutrients during processing. This results in a high glycemic index that causes quick spikes in blood sugar levels. White pasta has little nutritional value and can lead to weight gain, insulin resistance, and poor blood sugar control. Instead, choose whole grain or legume-based pasta. These options contain more fiber and protein. They help keep blood sugar levels steady and provide lasting energy. 3. Energy drinks. Energy drinks have a lot of sugar and caffeine, which makes them a bad choice for people with diabetes. The high sugar can quickly raise blood sugar levels, and too much caffeine can increase stress hormones like cortisol, which may worsen insulin resistance. These drinks can also cause dehydration, raising blood sugar levels and worsening diabetes symptoms. Instead of energy drinks, choose healthier options like green tea or herbal tea. They give you a natural energy boost without added sugar or artificial ingredients. Staying hydrated with better drink choices is essential for managing diabetes. The next step on the list is a regular exercise. Regular physical activity is crucial for effectively managing diabetes and maintaining overall health. Even modest changes in your exercise routine can significantly contribute to better blood sugar control and enhanced well-being. Aim to engage in at least 30 minutes of moderate to vigorous physical activity most days of the week. It could be brisk walking, cycling at a comfortable pace, or swimming laps in your local pool. In addition to aerobic exercises, it's essential to incorporate strength training into your routine, which could involve using free weights, resistance bands, or performing bodyweight exercises like push-ups and squats. These exercises help improve your body's sensitivity to insulin and assist in utilizing glucose more effectively. Strive to include strength workouts at least 2 to 3 times weekly to reap their full benefits. Moreover, staying active not only aids in physical health but can also profoundly impact your mental well-being. Regular exercise has been shown to boost mood, reduce feelings of anxiety, and increase energy levels, making it an integral component of a healthy lifestyle for anyone managing diabetes. So lace up those sneakers and take the first step toward a healthier future. The NHS recommends that adults get at least 150 minutes of moderate or 75 minutes of vigorous activity each week. Do the exercise at least 4 to 5 days a week. The next task is checking your blood sugar. Monitoring your blood sugar levels is a vital part of managing diabetes effectively. Regularly checking your levels can make the necessary adjustments to your meals and medications to prevent dangerous fluctuations in your glucose levels. This easy yet important practice can help you avoid serious health risks and control your blood sugar. Several methods are available for tracking your blood sugar, including using a glucose meter, which involves taking a small blood sample from your finger, and continuous glucose monitors, CGMs, which provide real-time glucose readings throughout the day without needing finger pricks. Also, urine tests can offer insights into your blood sugar levels. It's essential to work with your healthcare provider to determine the most suitable blood sugar monitoring method based on your individual needs, including cost, convenience, and accuracy considerations. Regardless of your chosen method, incorporating regular blood sugar testing into your daily routine is crucial to maintaining your health and ensuring your glucose levels stay within a safe and healthy range. Why is monitoring blood sugar levels essential for managing diabetes? Here are some key reasons why tracking your blood sugar levels is essential for managing diabetes. To prevent high and low blood sugar. Monitoring your glucose levels can help you avoid very high or very low blood sugar, which can cause health problems. Detect high blood sugar early. Regularly checking your levels can detect sudden increases in blood sugar before they become serious. Know how food affects your blood sugar. Understanding which foods raise or lower your levels can help you make better food choices. By monitoring your glucose levels throughout the day, you can manage your diabetes effectively and keep it from interfering with your daily life. Let's dive into stress management. Stress can significantly impact diabetes management, leading to high blood sugar levels and other complications. It's essential to find ways to reduce stress in your daily life to maintain better control of your diabetes. Making these small changes can significantly impact managing your diabetes, while reducing the adverse effects of stress on your body. Take action today for better health tomorrow. How does stress affect diabetes? Stress can make it hard to manage diabetes. It can raise blood sugar levels and increase the chance of other health problems. Here are some ways stress affects diabetes. It can increase blood sugar levels. When you feel stressed, your body produces hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, which raise blood sugar levels. Insulin problems. Stress makes it harder for your body to use insulin properly, leading to more spikes in blood sugar. Increased risk of health issues. Ongoing stress can lead to heart disease, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and other severe conditions. People with type 2 diabetes should find ways to reduce stress daily. Here are some ways you can minimize stress and control diabetes. Regular physical activity is crucial in regulating blood sugar levels and unleashes a flood of endorphins, those feel-good hormones that can lift your mood and melt away stress. Imagine the invigorating rush of a brisk walk or an energizing workout as your body responds positively to movement. On the other hand, practices like meditation and deep breathing offer a tranquil retreat from the chaos of daily life. These techniques can significantly minimize cortisol, the body's stress hormone, cultivating a profound sense of calm and fostering improved mental well-being. Visualize taking a moment to breathe deeply, allowing the tension to dissolve and peace to wash over you. Making significant lifestyle adjustments can feel daunting for those navigating the complexities of diabetes. The journey may present hurdles that can be overwhelming. However, seeking guidance from a knowledgeable professional can provide practical strategies and compassionate emotional support, helping you tackle these challenges with resilience and hope. Together, you can discover pathways to a healthier life, making the transition a little smoother and more manageable. Conclusion. To conclude, controlling or avoiding diabetes doesn't necessitate major lifestyle shifts. Instead, it involves implementing straightforward, sustainable modifications like choosing nutritious food options, maintaining an active lifestyle, managing stress, and consistently monitoring blood sugar levels. Together, these incremental changes enhance blood sugar management and overall well-being. Take charge by making educated decisions every day. We would like to hear your thoughts. What lifestyle adjustments have proven effective for you or someone you're familiar with in controlling diabetes? Share your experiences in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.